Monkey is 30 years old and he survives on £300 a month in one of the most expensive cities on earth. This is the true, unfiltered, slightly tragic story of being broke in London. £300 sounds like money until you start dividing it. Rent, gone. Bills, gone. Groceries, barely. By the time Monkey's finished writing his budget, he's already in debt to next month's money he doesn't have yet. Monkey doesn't do Tesco meal deals anymore. He does Tesco maybe deals. Whatever's on clearance, dented, bruised, or spiritually defeated. Heating? Heating is a myth. Monkey layers up like he's preparing for a polar expedition, just to sit in his own living room. Travel is now walking distance, and if something is too far, well, Monkey simply doesn't go. Nights out, Monkey doesn't remember what those are. His friends invite him for drinks and Monkey replies with, "Safe bro, next payday," and that payday doesn't exist. It's not just the money, it's the pressure of being 30 in London and feeling like you're always 10 steps behind the world. Monkey isn't lazy, he's tired. Tired of stretching pennies so far they start screaming. So, how does Monkey survive on £300 a month? Here's the truth. He became a professional bargain hunter. He knows every reduced aisle in East London, every discount day, every shop that sells almost bread for 20 pence. He walks everywhere. He cooks everything from scratch. He budgets like he's planning a military operation. He says no to almost every social plan, and he stretches every pan like it's made of elastic. He survives. Not because £300 is enough, it's not. He survives because he refuses to give up, even when London makes it nearly impossible. This is Monkey's reality. Broke, tired, surviving off 300 quid but still fighting for a better life. Because sometimes, being broke teaches you more about strength than money ever will.